Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Library, where we dive into all things tech. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic for every iPhone owner. Per my topic, the title I shall use for my article is How to Find My iPhone Settings Every Owner Should Know. Now let us begin! First up, let's make sure Find My iPhone is activated. To do this, open your AST Settings Hala app, tap your AST Apple ID at the top, and then choose Find My. Here, ensure you have activated the Find My iPhone feature. This is a feature that proves useful when you have lost your device or it has been stolen. Now, let's check the Find My network. This option is the wireless connection with other Apple devices and Bluetooth to assist to search your iPhone, even if it is turned off. Check that. Send last location is on. This transmits the location of your iPhone to Apple once the battery is almost drained. Now, about the Lost mode. If your iPhone is missing, then you can activate Lost mode using the Find My application or iCloud. This locks your device and also gives a message on your screen with some contact information. If ever you would want to delete your device, you can also use Find My app and choose the option Erase this device to delete your data. Finally, they recommend to change Apple ID's password from time to time and do not allow others to access Find My settings. That's all for the quick guide to Find My iPhone settings for today, or week for that matter. Ensure you have these turned on and set so your iPhone is kept safe and secure. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more tech videos. Thank you for watching Tech Library. That's it for today. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.